These are USB to Lightning cables. One of them is original and the other is fake. The very new 15 models are C2C now, but these are still useful if you have something older, anything between iPhone 5 and iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is gonna still work. Some cars do not have USB-C, so you have to use one of these. With exception to the price, it's very important to use original accessories. They charge faster, they are more reliable, they last longer. In my case, maybe 1-2 years. Fake ones last maybe a month or two. Also, I personally saw when a fake cable just got burned and burned out the new iPhone charging port, which was horrible. So iPhone no longer worked after that. Something like this from Amazon Basic or other reputable, reliable brand can be a good alternative because it's cheaper. I'll be honest with you, it's sometimes not easy to tell by box which one is original. These two both are original, one from apple.com, another one is from Best Buy. And if we look closely, they're different. The model number is different. One made in China, one in Vietnam. One has this Jan thing here, right? They have different part number. Both of them are original though. Both have this writing over here. And one of them has writing over here, but not on the other side, but not the other one. And we add fake one here. We can see, oh, fake one is more similar to this one. Yes, and both do not have writing on these sides. If you look on the back, again, this one is original. This one is also original, has different writing, and this fake one looks more like this one. So box is a complicated thing. Let's open them. Now as we open them, it becomes all way more clearer. So this one is original, nicely packed. This kind of paper. It's different from what's in the boxes. The one that's in iPhone boxes is different. This one has the same one. The fake one is packed like this. It's glued. This one actually is more like those that came with iPhone 7. This one is fake though, but it has this style. This one's will not fit in the box. Back to white. This one is made to fit in the box. Manual. This one is like small manual thing. This one, 2 pieces. And this one is definitely thicker. This one is missing this top manual. Same with this one. Even though this one's both original, one made in China, one in Vietnam, one from Best Buy, one from Apple. They have like same manuals, same cables. Fake ones usually have some spelling mistakes, so look at that. But it's easy to tell like this. Another way to tell is the weight. Original will be about 20 grams. Fake ones usually 17, 18. Cheaper ones are 15 gram. Original 20 or like 19.7, something like that. Something very close to 20. Those that come in the boxes or those that come with phones, doesn't matter, they're all about 20 gram. Once again, this style, when paper goes into the cables, this is the style of those that come with phones, not those that come in retail boxes like this. If you look at these connectors, the one on the left is original, so this one is original. If you look at connectors, the material of the metal is a little bit different. If you look at the build quality, it's a little bit worse, but it's really hard to tell. You need to compare. It's very close. Then we'll look at lightning connector. This one is generally more obvious. Also watch out for the size of the connector. Fake ones sometimes have bigger one. These ones are the same. But if you look at the at the pins. Original one has like nice everything, build quality and everything. Fake one usually have those 8 pins kind of scratched and stuff. So this gonna look more similar to that when it gets used. Fake ones are like this out of the factory. It's also not so easy to tell, to be honest with you. The looks is very close. Next thing is the material. You can feel it here. The rubber is different. Some rubber on the fakes is more close to this. Some is like completely off. This one feels more close, but it's different. Without comparison, hard to tell again. Some fakes do not have a serial number and this writing anywhere. This one has. I opened the original cord and this paper left some dirt on it. Haven't seen it before, but tells you Apple is not perfect either. Writing on the fake one actually is printed better. And on the original one it's like so faded, it's hard to see, you need to look at a special light. Also fake ones sometimes have writing on the other side. Writing should be somewhere close to this connector. This is a serial number here. I know it's hard to see. If you buy original ones, each serial will be different. If you buy fakes from same vendor, serials will be the same. This is a more recent fake, and I must admit it got much harder to tell original apart from a fake one. The weight, this one was 17 something grams, these ones were 20 when in the package. And in this case it was easy for me to tell because it was packaged like this, like it came with the phone. But when it's in the retail box, it's supposed to be packaged like that. All the other small differences are really hard and you need to compare one to one. Just get precious metals scales. They go for like $15 on eBay, and you'll tell. Original are 20 grams or like plus minus half a gram or so. Fake ones usually 17, 15.